Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
Happy Saturday evening. I'm Storm Team Meteorologist Jacob Woods. A few storms out there this afternoon and evening. Those will be coming to an end shortly after sunset. Muggy and warm start to our Sunday with temperatures in the lower 70s. Some patchy fog, but overall a lot of sunshine to start the day and starting off the day on a dry note. But that may change going into Sunday afternoon and evening with the peak heating of the day. Skies becoming partly to mostly cloudy as temperatures get into the lower 90s, and we have increased that rain chance just slightly up to around 30% for Sunday afternoon. Futurecast shows those evening showers and storms may be lingering through around 8 o'clock, but that's sunset, so after that we'll see a lot of it starting to come to an end. We're staying dry overnight with patchy fog to start out Sunday morning. Temperatures already by lunch on Sunday getting close to 90 degrees. We should stay dry through that point. A few isolated downpours on our Sunday early afternoon, but I think by 3, 4, 5 o'clock, a better chance for maybe the Birmingham Metro, Interstate 65 to see a few of those very brief downpours, but if storms are slow moving, they could last up to around an hour like we saw on the Saturday afternoon. Temperatures by 7 o'clock tomorrow evening down to the lower to middle 80s, so hopefully we can get some rain-cooled air in here for the Matt Rife show at 7:30, of course, at the Coca-Cola Amphitheater in downtown Birmingham. Going into Monday, mostly clear to start the day. Temperatures warm to start in the lower to middle 70s, and by the afternoon, even less numerous coverage of showers and storms, very hit and miss on Monday afternoon. So the bigger story is going to be the heat. The less coverage of rain we have going into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the warmer the air is able to get each afternoon. So by Wednesday and Thursday, that heat is going to really build in here. Temperatures up to around 96 here in Birmingham, but you factor in the humidity, it will feel like it's in the triple digits, anywhere between 100 to 105, if not even warmer than that, likely going to prompt heat advisories for a good chunk of the region going into that time of next week. So it's time for us to remind ourselves, yes, we see this type of heat every single year and multiple waves of it, but since this is the first one, we want to hydrate, make sure and stay cool, check on the elderly and the pets, those friendly reminders as we go over the next 7 days. Those less numerous rain chances getting in here for Monday, even drier for Tuesday and Wednesday, back up to 20% for Thursday and Friday, so very similar to how it will be on Monday, and Saturday of next week likely going to be similar to what we see today and for tomorrow with some of those few storms that are out there. And we can't say that everyone stays dry, but we also can't say that almost all of us are going to stay dry, because even a good bit of us saw some rain on this Saturday afternoon. For Sunday night, tomorrow night, 7:30 at the Coca-Cola Amphitheater, temperature of 83 at 7 o'clock, and still holding on to those lower 80s, upper 70s, even getting around 9 o'clock towards the end of that show. But we should be dry with those evening showers and storms coming to an end. And then the big story is going to be the heat. By Tuesday and Wednesday, a lot of sunshine, temperatures in the mid 90s, and we can't rule out a downpour any given day throughout the next 7 days.